Welcome to this tutorial where we will dive deep into the intricate art of grilling Korean barbecue skewers to perfection. Our focus will be on achieving the ideal char and crispness that make these skewers so irresistible. From selecting the right cuts of meat to mastering the grilling techniques, we will provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to elevate your Korean barbecue game. Get ready to explore the flavors and textures that define this popular dish and impress your guests with perfectly grilled skewers bursting with char and crispness. In this segment, we will delve into the crucial aspects of selecting the perfect meat cuts and crafting a marinade that will elevate the flavors of your Korean barbecue skewers. Discover the best types of meat that suit grilling on skewers, ensuring tenderness and juiciness, while also exploring how a well-balanced marinade can enhance the char and crispness of the final dish. Whether you prefer beef, chicken, or pork, understanding the right meat-to-marinade combination is key to achieving that mouth-watering taste and texture that Korean barbecue skewers are known for. This segment focuses on mastering the art of skewering and grilling techniques to enhance the overall quality of your Korean barbecue skewers. Learn the proper methods of skewering to ensure even cooking and optimal charring, resulting in a deliciously charred exterior and juicy interior. Additionally, we will share valuable grilling tips to help you achieve that perfect crispy texture that elevates the skewers to a whole new level of culinary delight. By understanding these techniques, you can elevate your grilling game and create Korean barbecue skewers that are bursting with flavor and texture. In this segment, we emphasize the significance of flipping and basting your Korean barbecue skewers throughout the grilling process to enhance the overall flavor profile and achieve the perfect level of char and crispness. Discover how the act of flipping allows for even cooking on all sides, while basting with a flavorful sauce or marinade ensures that each bite is infused with delicious charred notes. By understanding the importance of these techniques, you can elevate the taste and texture of your skewers, creating a memorable dining experience that delights the senses with every bite. In this segment, we focus on the final touches that can elevate your Korean barbecue skewers from delicious to extraordinary presentation and serving suggestions. Discover how to arrange your grilled skewers in a visually appealing manner that not only entices the eyes, but also enhances the overall dining experience. We will explore creative plating ideas and serving techniques that will impress your guests and elevate the enjoyment of the meal. By paying attention to presentation and serving, you can turn a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece that delights both visually and gastronomically.